Candace Carter, Thoughts to Go, good morning. I want to thank all of you who have tuned in, maybe not every week, but once in a while to see, what this artist lady has to say about life. And I hope that something I have said maybe, is along your line and you can pick up on. I have new plans for the channel. I don't want to go into detail yet. This week, I just want to inform you things are going to be different, very different. I have a new idea that I want to give room, a lot of room. And so what I've done up to now with Duck and Dog and, one German, one English, and trying out different things, this will be another move, and it will be a major move. So my little friends here, I'm thankful for, and they may be back, they may not. I tend to do whatever I think I need to do. So I need to do something else, and there's something else you'll find out about very soon. I guess I could recommend that maybe as a last kind of like idea for what's important in your life. If you think something's important, just do it. Don't procrastinate too long. Right, guys? Yeah. Yes. What's inside of you, if it wants out, find a medium to get it out. That's the most important thing, I think. And maybe that sums up what I have found to give me great joy in life. So there's going to be a change in the channel. It won't be this week. It won't be next week, because next week I will be saying what I'm saying now in German. But after that, I hope, or we hope, you keep tuning in, and that would be cool. So I guess this is Candace and Duck and Dog signing off for right now, and we promise things will be different. Okay, bye-bye.